So guys, in the previous video we have seen how to hook the function manually in the local process. Now we will be seeing a library called EasyHook to make this process much more easier. So to install this EasyHook, you need to install this NuGet package. Go to tools and go to NuGet package manager and click on this manage. Now in the browse tab you search for EasyHook. So this EasyHook is the C# implementation, and these native packages are, you can use this EasyHook via C++. So I have already installed this one. You check this mark and click on install. I have already installed, so that's why it is telling to uninstall. So we are going to hook this message box W function. So I have declared the signature. Let's go and try to execute this one, if it's working properly or not. So let's run this, and we can see the message box has been executed successfully. Now as usual, as in the previous videos, we need to declare a delegate with the exact function signature of this message box W. So public delegate int message delegate. So we can copy this one. So instead of string, if we are using the Unicode version, what you need to do is we need to marshal this parameter as unmanaged type dot long pointer wide char string. So copy this one and paste here, and we are good to go. So the delegate has been successfully declared. Now we need to write our custom hooked function. So public static and int hooked function. You can copy the same parameters as this. Now what we want to do is we no need to save those function address bytes starting 5 bytes as we have done in the previous videos. If you are not watching my previous video, go ahead and watch that. It will be very useful. So in the previous video we have copied the first 5 bytes at that function address and overwritten with a jump to our function. So we no need to do that because the EasyHook will automatically do this for you. So all you need to do is you need to say message box W off, and you can simply pass these functions. So we are just normally executing the message box as it is for now. Now what we going to do is we need to create a hook variable EasyHook dot create, and this takes EasyHook dot localhook dot create, and this takes the first parameter as the function address, and the second one is the delegate delegate function we need to hook. So the first parameter is we can say EasyHook dot localhook dot get proc address, and we need to pass in the DLL name user32.dll, and the next one is the message box W. So we are getting the function address of this message box W, and the second one is second parameter the second parameter is the delegate. So we can say new message delegate of, so pass this function, so it will create a new delegate of type hooked function. Now we can pass this as null. So we have created a hook, let's say where hook. Now we need to initiate this one, so we can do that. We can say hook dot thread ACL dot set inclusive ACL. So this will take an array of thread IDs. So the current thread ID is 0. If you want to hook the current thread to this function, you can say new int. We are going to declare an array which contains the thread IDs. So now the thread has been hooked to this function. So first let's call this one message box, 2 message boxes, and let's run this, and hi and hi. So we are going to modify a little bit. If we can say text is equals to so let's say pond. So let's run this. We are just changing the second parameter, that is the text. Now if I go and run this one, now hi, and we can see the pond. So the function, our hooked function has successfully executed. Now to remove this hook, we can say thread ACL dot set exclusive ACL, and copy this one. Now go ahead and copy this. So this will so this EasyHook will do all these saving those bytes and pasting after the hooked function has been executed. So all of these operations for us. So the first it should execute hi, second one pond, and third one hi. So let's go and run this. Hi, pond, and hi. So this is how you use the EasyHook to local hook a function in the local process.